Potty training, a guide for parents and caregivers. Hello, parents and caregivers. Potty training, it's one of those milestones every family looks forward to but also feels a little nervous about. It's completely normal to feel uncertain, but here's the good news. You're not alone, and with the right approach, you can make potty training a smooth, positive experience for both you and your child. Today, I'll share everything you need to know to tackle this milestone with confidence, patience, and even a little fun. Timing is everything when it comes to potty training. Starting too early can lead to frustration, while starting when your child is ready can make the process much easier and even enjoyable. Most children show signs of readiness between 18 months and 3 years old, but every child is unique. Here are some key signs to look for. Dry diapers for longer periods. If your child stays dry for 2 or more hours during the day or wakes up from naps with a dry diaper, it means they are starting to develop better bladder control. Interest in the bathroom. If your child shows curiosity about the toilet, watches others use it, or asks questions about the process, this is a great sign. Basic communication skills. Being able to express needs verbally or through gestures is crucial. Your child should be able to indicate when they need to go or when they've already gone. Physical and emotional readiness. This includes the ability to pull down their pants and sit still for a few minutes. It also helps if your child isn't going through other big changes, like a new sibling or moving houses, as stability fosters better focus during potty training. Remember, it's perfectly okay if your child doesn't hit all these markers at the same time. If they're not ready, give it some time and revisit the idea in a few weeks or months. Potty training is a journey, not a race. Once you've determined that your child is ready, it's time to set the stage for success. The first step is choosing the right equipment. A child-sized potty chair that sits on the floor can make the process less intimidating. Alternatively, you can use a potty seat that fits securely on your toilet and a step stool to help your child climb up. Letting your child help pick out their potty can make them feel excited and involved. Place the potty in a convenient spot where your child spends most of their time, such as the bathroom or their playroom. Familiarity helps reduce anxiety. Next, prepare your home and routines for potty training. Dress your child in clothes that are easy to pull down, like elastic waist pants. Having a designated potty training kit nearby, complete with spare clothes, wipes, and training pants, can make the process smoother. And don't forget to stock up on lots of patience and a sense of humor. Routine is your best friend during potty training. Start by encouraging your child to sit on the potty at regular times during the day, like after meals, before naps, or after waking up in the morning. Consistency helps them understand when and how to use the potty. Even if nothing happens at first, praise your child for trying. Say something like, "Good job sitting on the potty." This positive reinforcement helps build confidence. It's also helpful to watch for signs that your child needs to go, such as fidgeting, squatting, or hiding in a corner. When you notice these behaviors, gently remind them to use the potty. Remember, accidents will happen. It's part of the learning process. Stay calm and reassure your child that it's okay. Avoid scolding or showing frustration, as this can create fear or resistance. Instead, focus on celebrating progress, no matter how small. One of the most effective ways to encourage potty training success is through positive reinforcement. Children thrive on praise and encouragement, so make a big deal out of their achievements, even if they're small. You can use a sticker chart where your child earns a sticker each time they use the potty successfully. After collecting a certain number of stickers, they can get a small reward like extra playtime or a special treat. Celebrate in the moment too. A high five, a hug, or even a silly potty dance can make your child feel proud and excited to keep trying. It's equally important to handle accidents with positivity. Instead of saying, "Why didn't you use the potty?" try something like, "Oops, let's clean up and try again next time." This keeps the atmosphere supportive and helps your child feel comfortable learning from mistakes. Potty training is the perfect time to introduce good hygiene habits. Teach your child how to wipe correctly, front to back for girls to avoid infections, and show them how to use just enough toilet paper. Hand washing is another essential skill. Teach your child to wash their hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, and make it fun by singing a short song together like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Turning hygiene into a routine early on helps set your child up for lifelong healthy habits. Potty training isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Some children may take to it quickly while others need more time to adjust. Stay flexible and adapt to your child's unique needs and personality. Encourage your child to listen to their body's signals and use the potty when they feel the need, rather than sticking to a strict schedule. Over time, they'll gain the confidence and independence to take charge of the process themselves. It's also important to celebrate their growing independence. For example, if they pull down their own pants or wash their hands without help, give them praise. These small steps build their confidence and reinforce their sense of achievement. Remember, every child learns at their own pace. If progress feels slow, take a step back, focus on the positives, and trust that your child will get there when they're ready. Potty training is a big step, not just for your child, but for your whole family. It's a chance to bond, celebrate milestones, and teach your child important life skills. With patience, positivity, and a little creativity, you'll get through it together. Trust your instincts, celebrate every small success, and enjoy the journey. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting tips and tricks. See you next time.